The accent with Empower has many robust language systems that allow you to express yourself and say anything you want to say. But what happens when you don't know where a specific word is within your vocabulary? With Word Finder, you can search for any word and discover the pathway for how to get to that word within your vocabulary file. There are two ways to get to Word Finder within Empower when using Unity 84 Sequenced. One way is through the keyboard page. Once there, select Word Finder on the right-hand side of the screen. You can then spell the word you want to find directly on the keyboard page. In this example, we will look for the word dog. Once you are done spelling your word, select Search under the display bar. This will pull up a window with possible icon sequence results. Depending on the word you are searching for, some words may have longer pathways than others. Select Guide Me next to one of the icon sequences to practice the motor pattern for that specific word. Select the highlighted icons to locate the word you are trying to find. All other icons in the vocabulary will be grayed out to draw attention to the pathway you selected. Continue to select the highlighted icons until you get to your chosen word. Once you have found and selected the word you are searching for, all icons in the vocabulary will be visible again. Another way to get to Word Finder within Unity is through the device key in the activity row. To get to Word Finder this way, select the device icon in the top row of the vocabulary, then select Word Finder. Let's find the word fast within our vocabulary. Follow the same steps as before by typing the word fast on the keyboard and select Search. Once again, you can select an icon sequence to practice the pathway and find the word. Now that you know how to use Word Finder, keep practicing and modeling to learn your vocabulary.